Thank you for stopping by my channel, Off Grid Living with the Bennetts. If this is your first time visiting my channel, then I welcome you. My name is Jim, and just to give you some history, I've lived in the city, I've lived in the country, and I've lived off-grid. Off-grid is my favorite. This channel is all about off-grid living. How do you get your water? How do you get your hydro? How do you get your propane, your gas, wind, solar, just whatever. This is all to do with off-grid living. I'm going to show you my mistakes. I'm going to show you what I've done wrong, and I'll show you my successes. The thing about living off-grid, you have to deal with weather, you have to deal with black flies, and gathering your own firewood. During this channel, I'm going to show you everything that I do to survive living off-grid. My hope is that you would follow me and you would subscribe. If you would push that subscribe button, that would be great for my channel, and I'll bring you all kinds of videos with all kinds of good information. If you're thinking about going off-grid, this is the channel for you. Hit that subscribe button.